right, moment of truth. Time for a taste test of the green immunity booster. Now this one, I know people are about to write off that it doesn't taste good. It's not gonna taste good. There's no way. That motherfucker has cucumbers and celery in it. Ain't no way it's tasting good. But I have hope. The green apples, I feel like, are gonna bring this back. So let's do a little taste test. Oh, I told y'all. I wouldn't say it's like on par with the orange. Now the orange was a 10 out of 10. This is probably like a solid like 8.5. You know what I'm saying? Boom, boom, boom. There you have it. Immunity boosters, orange, green. You pick. Maybe do both. But yeah. Oh yeah.